I've packed my bags, I've sold my house, and I'm on my way home to sweet, sweet Jamaica. The brain dump is over.
Family, today's story is different. It's emotional, it's inspiring, and honestly, it's the kind of story that reminds you what real Jamaican love looks like. While most people were watching the effects of Hurricane Melissa on their phones, one Jamaican woman living abroad made a decision that shocked everyone. She sold everything she owned overseas: her furniture, her car, even her apartment, and booked the very next flight back home. Why? To help rebuild Jamaica with her own hands. This is her story, and trust me, you are going to feel this one.
We're bringing it all back home. There's no way we can see Melissa take such advantage of our country and don't go back and fix her up. We are never, ever going to abandon our parents. Not a country like Jamaica that gave us so much, or that gives us so much. Pride, joy, resilience, strength, happiness, best food, everything. Guess what? Yeah, man. If you can go back, go back. However you can do. Whatever help you can give. Because Jamaica instilled in us everything that everybody want. And it have a born in you, like a true Jamaican. Yeah? So Jamaica, my sweet, sweet Jamaica, here I come. 45 years, long enough. I'm coming back home.
This week, I decided to pack everything I own into 4 suitcases, not renew my lease, sell my car, and move to Jamaica. America has given me a lot of opportunities, but I'm ready to head out. I want food that doesn't make me feel sick. I want KFC that doesn't put me on a toilet for days. I want to see beach water that is not brown. And most of all, I want it to be 80 degrees all year round. So yeah, I packed all my stuff and I just left. I'm excited to take on this new journey, and I hope you guys stay around to take it on with me. If you've ever thought about doing something like this, just follow along and subscribe.
She had a good life overseas, a comfortable job, a stable routine, nice neighborhood. Everything people dream of when they migrate. But when Hurricane Melissa hit and Jamaica started trending for all the wrong reasons, she couldn't shake the feeling in her chest. She said it felt like her spirit got pulled home, like she was supposed to do something, not just watch and hope. She spent 3 nights awake, scrolling through videos of flooded homes, families stranded, people losing everything they worked for. She said one video broke her completely. An elderly woman sitting outside her destroyed house. I don't even know where to start. That was it. She got up, made a list of everything she owned, and decided to sell it all. Friends told her she was crazy. Some tried to talk her out of it, but she said, "Comfort is good, but purpose is better." She arrived home the next week. No fancy plan, no big organization backing her, just pure heart. And immediately, she started working, distributing supplies, helping clean damaged homes, feeding families who hadn't had a proper meal in days. People couldn't believe she really came back just to help, but she kept repeating, a Jamaican me come from. This is my home. What she didn't expect was how many people she would inspire. Other Jamaican abroad started messaging her saying, I wish I could be there too. How can I help from here? What you are doing is giving us hope. Soon she connected with local volunteers, churches, youth groups, and people started showing up just because they heard about the woman who sold everything to come home. Her sacrifice sparked a whole movement of unity. She said something that stayed with me. Jamaica is not perfect, but it's ours. And if we don't come together when the island hurts, then who will? And honestly, she is right. Jamaica has always been more than a place on the map. It's a feeling, a heartbeat, a family. This woman didn't just bring money. She brought hope. She reminded us that when one Jamaican rises, the whole island feels it. If this story touched you even a little bit, drop a flag in the comments and tell me, will you ever give up everything to help your homeland? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful Jamaican stories. And to that woman, wherever you are, wherever you go, thank you. Your act of love will be remembered long after Hurricane Melissa is gone.